Goes up. And it's out of the park.
Up over the top. Will it be four? Yes, it will be. The third boundary in the over. And the Super Giants are on the charge. Goes a straighter line on this occasion, but the man, MS Dhoni, finds a way. Full, wide. It's heading towards the boundary. Yes, it's back-to-back boundaries to Dhoni. He's one hit from 50, and there it is. 4-4. There goes the big shot. It's gone straight. He's pushing hard. They're going to come back for two. It's going to be close, and they've made it. Well, it's length. It's into the gap. Some very fast footwork from David Warner. They're going to get back for two. Back for two.